Good morning, children. A very warm welcome in Standard 2 in English Literature class. Today we are going to learn a new story. Children, do you want to listen to a new story? Okay, the name of the story is Nani Walks to the Park. This story has been written by Deepa Balswar. She is a writer, no? The story is about Vikas and his grandmother. It shows how they enjoy their walk to the park and what all they see in between. I will teach this chapter in two parts. Today is the first part. Let us start with the story. Children, after each line I will be explaining to you the story. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Today, Vikas wants to go with her. Nani goes to the park once a week. Vikas wants to go with her today to the park. I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, says Nani. Nani says that I walk slowly and take a long time to get there. I don't mind, Nani, says Vikas. Vikas says, I don't mind. It means he still wants to go with Nani. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. Nani agrees to take Vikas with her to the park. Then she picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. But Nani says, Vikas, the park is this way. Vikas tells Nani that the park is this way. Why are you going that way? We'll go that way, says Nani, pointing ahead. Let's go to the lane of treasure. Nani tells Vikas, we will go that way, pointing ahead, means to show with the finger. She tells Vikas that we will go to the lane of treasures. Treasure means something very valuable. The lane of treasure? What a wonderful name for the market. The lane of treasure, this name has been given to the market. The shops here sells everything. Nani stops to buy milk and other things. You get everything in this shop here. Just like you get in a market, Nani stops at a shop and buys milk and other things. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? So when Nani has finished buying things from the market, Vikas shows a gate to Nani and asks, shall we take the shortcut to the park? Now children, shortcut means a short path or road by which we can reach faster. No smiles, Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. Nani says no to Vikas about going through the shortcut. She says that we must go through the lane of happiness. So they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Nani and Vikas walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Remember children, they are going to the lane of happiness. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly, dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. So Nani stops at one place and starts saying, come, come. When she does this, suddenly lots of dogs and cats come there. Tumble out from everywhere means come from all directions. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick the bowl clean. Nani gives the milk to the dogs and cats in some bowls. Vikas laughs as he sees that all the milk is finished. Lick the bowl clean means finished everything. Then Nani and Vikas walk through a lane behind a little school. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langdi, Lagori, and Sakli. Nani and Vikas walk through a lane which is behind a little school. The children here are laughing and playing. Langdi, Lagori, and Sakli are the name of games. Is this the lane of noise? Asked Vikas, covering his ears. Vikas is covering his ears and asked Nani, is this the lane of noise? He asked this because children are making a lot of noise while playing. No, it's the lane of mischief. It makes me think of you and your friends, laughs Nani. Nani says that this is the lane of mischief. It reminds her of Vikas and his friends. So children, how did you like the story till now? Do you also go to the park with your grandparents? This is the first part. I will teach you the second part in the next class. Watch the video again for better understanding. Take care till we meet in the next class.